Hello, good morning, ma'am and sir. I am Leia Vanessa Sagmao. I am 38 years old and I am from Philippines. I am a single mother and I have a 16 years old son. I have work experience working abroad in Dubai, UAE, Hong Kong, and in mainland China. In Dubai, I serve five members of the family, the couple, and the three kids. 2 years old, 6 years old, and 9 years old, and I do all around the housework. And in Hong Kong, I serve four members of the family, the couple, and the two kids. One 4 years old and 9 years old. I do cooking and do all around the housework. In China, I work two employer. First one is I serve four members of the family, the couple, and the two kids, 6 years old and 14 years old. I also do cooking and do all around the houseworks. And the second employer, I also serve four members of the family, the couple, and the two kids, one 4 years old and one 13 years old. I also do all around the houseworks and cooking. If you give me chance to work with you, I promise to do my very best to work hard and to serve you. Thank you.